Welcome to our overview of the C++ programming language. C++ is a powerful programming language used for developing applications, games, and operating systems. It was first developed in 1985 by Bjørn Stroustrup as an extension of the C programming language. Over the years, C++ has undergone several revisions and upgrades to make it a versatile language for modern programming. C++ has a range of features that make it stand out from other programming languages. For example, it supports object-oriented programming, making it easy to write code that is reusable and easy to maintain. C++ also supports low-level programming, which allows developers to write code that interacts directly with hardware components. This makes it a popular language for developing drivers and operating systems. In addition, C++ is a popular choice for game development because of its high performance and speed. Its ability to manage memory efficiently allows developers to create complex games without any lag or performance issues. Today, C++ is used by millions of developers worldwide and is a crucial language in the software development industry. It has a vast community of developers who regularly contribute to its development and support. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, learning C++ is a valuable skill that will help you develop a range of applications and software. Thank you for watching our overview of the C++ programming language. We hope you found it informative and insightful.